What's going on, guys? My name is Victor Feliciano, and this is my first testimonial video for Johncrestaniscam's Jet Set program. Where when you get into the program, you start watching the videos, and he tells you, you can make your first sale in the first 2 hours. At first, I was kind of like, really, 2 hours? I was doubting a little bit. But I kept watching because, to tell you the truth, right now I have nothing to lose. Okay, I'm in a bad situation where I hurt my back at work, and I can't really go back to work for a bit. And it's great. I found a way where John Crestani is awesome. He knows what he's talking about, and they actually have a, he walks you through what you have to do for you to make sales your first day. But you have to do it, man. Like you have to commit yourself to it. And I did, and I started the program, and I watched all the videos, and he walks you through how to use SEO, YouTube, Facebook, and all that for you to actually start the sale. And in my first day, I got 3 sales, which is pretty freaking amazing. I mean, it doesn't sound like much, but the wall of China wasn't created in one day. Brick by brick, you make your wall. Okay, so follow John. I mean, if you want to make money online, John knows what he's talking about. He's been recognized in Forbes and all that. I did my research, of course, and it was awesome, and I decided to jump into it. And the walkthrough is pretty good. It's pretty simple. I had no experience marketing. I had no experience making money online. I was a grunt working 72 hours a week, like busting my back, literally. And I live in North Dakota. It was very cold outside, so I'd rather be in here. If I can make money being in here, man, that's awesome, being home. So please, give yourself a chance. Go to John Crestani and start watching the videos, and believe it works, man. It works. It truly works. So guys, please, do yourself a favor and go to John Crestani. And I'm looking forward to watching the rest of the videos and getting more training into this, because I wanna make good money. And don't we all, right? But guys, do yourself a favor, go to Jet Set program and follow John Crestani, and I wish you the best. Do it.